airborne with Tejasvi Yadav as he does this incredible one-man army show across Bihar. Tejasvi, thank you so much for joining us. You're literally like a one-man army. I mean, what?
I'm just trying to cover up all the constituencies.
You're doing what, about almost a dozen rallies a
More
day?
than that, actually. More than that.
But tell me, Tejasvi, explain this crowd, because you've not campaigned for the first time. How do you explain this frenzy? Because your rivals say that you disappeared for all these months, you were nowhere to be seen, you were sitting in Delhi during the, the lockdown. So, what is this?
It's obviously they will not talk positive about me. But recently, Prime Minister, he had came, and in the rally he had said that अच्छे पैकेट में अगर अच्छा कुछ मिले, दिखने में अच्छा हो, बोलने में, लेकिन खाने के बाद पछताना पड़े. But he's accepting that everything is good.
No, that may be true, but tell me, you were missing in action, weren't you? It is said that you were in Delhi during the lockdown. Is that true?
See, like me, there were lack of people. They got stuck during the lockdown. Not even you also didn't knew that when the lockdown is going to happen. It was all of a sudden. But during the lockdown period, I took permission, I came back. But even in the since the first lockdown, I was the first one to donate my salary. I was the first one to offer my official bungalow. I was the one who had been coordinating all around with the government to help the laborers with the ration.
So you were saying you were even working in the lockdown, but you're saying the Prime Minister, are you saying the Prime Minister is rattled by the feedback you're getting?
See, what I can say, they're not talking on the main agenda. In Bihar, there is kamai, dawai, padhai, sachai, महंगाई.
Yes, which is what you said in your speech.
Exactly.
And,
तो
and
यहाँ क्या है?
jobs
Laborers कमाने के लिए बाहर जा रहे हैं, पढ़ाई के लिए बाहर जा रहे हैं, दवाई इलाज के लिए बाहर जा रहे हैं. तो बिहार का करोड़ों रुपए जो है वो बाहर जा रहा है.
ये बात सही है तेजस्वी, पर जो आपका jobs का है, when you said the Prime Minister talks of packaging, this 10 lakh job promise you're making, which is getting the most
That's
response.
going to be true. That's going to be true.
But tell me, how is that realistic? How can any government create
Total
10
budget
lakh
of-
jobs?
Total budget of Bihar government is 2,13,000 crore rupees. And there is already 4.5 lakh government job is vacant.
Correct.
5.5 lakh government jobs should be, we have to compete national average. Like for example, if I'll see, in police department, per lakh people, पे मणिपुर में 1,000 से 1,000 से ज़्यादा पुलिस लोग हैं. बिहार में only 77 per lakh पे आबादी पे. This is not only giving the jobs. This is to revive the departments also, like education departments.
You're saying there are enough government jobs available to fill 5 lakh. You create 5 lakh new jobs.
4.5 is vacant. 5.5 you have to compete for national average. What you want to see different subject teachers in a class? No. Just not only in one school, one teacher.
But look, jobs is one part, but the fact is that your critics, the rivals, are saying you come with a legacy. As the Prime Minister said, you're the Yuvraj of Jungle Raj.
What can I say? People expect Prime Minister to say on a double, on floods, on 46.6% is the बेरोजगारी दर है आपका. People of Bihar, they want to listen कि भाई बाहर क्यों जाते लोग, पलायन क्यों करते बिहार से. नीति आयोग के अध्यक्ष प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं. बिहार हर एक मानक में पीछे क्यों है, चाहे हेल्थ हो या शिक्षा हो.
No, but Yuvraj of Jungle Raj, he is trying to basically evoke the fact that when your father's government was in power for 15 years, Bihar was a lawless state.
But I don't want to comment anything on it. I want to stick on to my agenda, what people of Bihar are demanding for. But Prime Minister in the last election, he had said something about Nitish Kumar's DNA also. So what is the result?
No, but are you distancing yourself in that sense from your father and his legacy?
See, no.
Because you never bring him up.
He's the mass leader. He's the leader. I'm his son. And people, they know. He's a mass leader. No one can compete him. See,
but आप उनका नाम नहीं लेते हैं.
See, नाम नहीं लेते. हम तो हर जगह लेते हैं, जरूरी है, बट अभी मुद्दे की बात होगी ना। अभी मुद्दा बिहार में जो है, जो एजेंडा है, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू गिव देम, आई हैव टू टेल देम आल्सो इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम।